Hi guys, if you want to automatically capitalize the first letter of a sentence in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. To automatically capitalize the first letter of a sentence, first of all go to the tool section and then click on preferences, and here you will see the option automatically capitalize words. You have to simply enable it. So check it and then click on OK. And once you enable the auto capitalization, from now on the first letter of a sentence will be automatically capitalized. Let's say for the example I want to type, and you can see the first letter of the sentence has been automatically capitalized. Let's try writing something else. You can see the first letter of the sentence gets automatically capitalized. And in case if you want to manually capitalize the first letter, then let's see the next method. To manually capitalize the first letter of a sentence, first of all press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then type the first letter and then leave the shift key and now start typing rest of the sentence. And you can see the first letter of the sentence gets capitalized. Let's see one more time. To manually capitalize the first letter, simply press and hold down the shift key on your keyboard and then type the first letter and then leave the shift key and now start typing rest of the sentence. And this way you can manually capitalize the first letter of the sentence in Google Docs. So that's it guys. This is how you can automatically capitalize the first letter of a sentence in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.